Breathe. Keep breathing.
Where's the kid?
Kid? What kid?
It's here in the factory, isn't it?
You're not pinning this on me. It never would have gotten out if you hadn't been cheating last night.
Cheating!
You really think I look fat?
Pumba, Pumba, Pumba. You're a pig! It's a compliment!
Oh, thank you.
Cheating. Right. Okay, I think I know how to make this all go away. What happens when the whistle blows in 5 minutes?
I get a timeout?
Everyone goes to lunch! Which means the scare floor will be...
Painted?
empty! It'll be empty, you idiot!